Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another amazing video. I'll be showing you how to use your phone on OBS as a webcam and also as a microphone. And the app that is going to help us to do that is DROIDCAM. Let's first download it and install it. For you to download DROIDCAM, you need to open your browser, then search DROIDCAM. And their official website is www.dev47apps.com. I'll put a link in my description box for easy access. And they have apps for Google Play Store and for the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. And one thing that you need to understand is that for you to work with DROIDCAM as a webcam and also as a microphone, you need to install the app both on your laptop and on your phone. Then you can select down here for Windows, Linux, select depending on the operating system that you're using, and you make sure that you download the latest version. Then after downloading your DROIDCAM setup, you have to install it on your laptop. And I'll take you through the installation process. You complete this wizard, you agree to the terms and conditions, and wait for the installation process to complete. After you're done with installing the app, you need to open the app. Both on your phone and on your laptop. Then there are three ways you can connect to this app. That is through Wi-Fi, USB, and create a Wi-Fi server. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use to connect via Wi-Fi. You have to make sure that your phone and your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then, after opening the DROIDCAM on your phone, there is a Wi-Fi address on the top. You key it in over here, and that's the IP address you can see on the right side of this video, on that image. Then down here you can select whether you want to have a video or audio only, but you can also select both of them. Then start. You can see it's picking up the video. Then I'm gonna show you how to add a source, a video source, and a audio input capture on OBS. For audio capture, select audio capture. Then on the drop down here, you can see there's a DROIDCAM virtual audio. You can select it. That means now I'm using my phone as a microphone, and I hope there's an echo in the video, so I have to mute one of the mics. Then I can also add a video capture source. A video capture source. And instead of using my laptop webcam, I'm going to use DROIDCAM. You can see the same things appear. And that's all for this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, leave a comment, and yeah, that's all.